is a board that is marked, and let me also put another person on the line here, because we have to start taking this seriously. Just hold on quickly. I want to see where's your property, because I want to understand fully so I can explain to the court what is happening. Good day, officer. I'm just going to keep you on loudspeaker. Can you just stay on the line while I'm speaking to Mr. De Villiers? As I'm being recorded, I also want you to be on the phone with me. Is it fine?
No problem.
All right, thank you. All
Okay.
right.
No.
Well, let me
First deal with the call out, and then you can deal with all these other things.
Let me speak. I told you now exactly how it is working.
No.
Listen,
I've called.
If you want to apply for the police, then you apply for the police. But you phoned us. We are here to help you.
You're here
to give you the
to
advice.
serve. I'm not asking for advice today.
Listen, Mr. De Villiers.
No, hang on. I'm not asking for advice. You are here to serve this protection order.
Mr. De Villiers will make a report about you. The whole street is feeling harassed about you.
You can make your
about
report,
the water meter.
but now you need to serve my protection order.
You don't tell me. We will tell you what we are going to do.
Well, then I will make a form, and I'm going to sue you in your personal capacity for damages that I'm incurring on my property because you're not willing to serve. And I will sue you, not the Minister of the Police. I'm a High Court litigant.
You understand me? I'll take these people's statements against you because you are really harassing these people in this area.
You can take the statements.
My friend.
Are you going to serve my protection order?
I'm not going to serve this thing because I don't see the respondent and there's no address. Please record it. Constable, look. Constable, look. There's no address on the protection order. I'm not going to go search for someone in the bush who's unknown.
It says here, applicant to point out.
We'll make a report about you, Mr. De Villiers. All right. Leave the people in the community. Leave their water meters. You have nothing to do with their water meters.
Okay, you just look. I'm wondering what. This guy's refusing to serve my protection order.
I am refusing
for
to
no
serve
grounds.
Mr. De Villiers' protection order. Record your protection order there. Address unknown.
Address says applicant to point out.
Thank you, Mr. De Villiers.
Okay, that's Constable Luke refusing to serve my protection order.